Hey guys, welcome back to our kickoff meeting for our brand new Decluttering Bootcamp. I'm gonna be your personal clutter coach, and I'm gonna push you slowly at first, but harder and harder each week out of your comfort zone when it comes to your stuff. Because the truth is, being in your comfort zone and doing things safe is why you feel like your home never stays clean. It's why you are running on this hamster wheel of this clutter cycle over and over, and it stops today. We have 90 days left of 2021. 90 days for you to make a big impact, for you to actually feel proud of what you've accomplished this year, and for you to start fresh in 2022. So every single week, I'm gonna give you a new challenge, and we're gonna slowly work our way up to the house that you're craving. If you follow my channel, it's probably because you're looking for organizing advice, and that's coming. All of January, we're gonna start doing just so much organizing advice. But here's the truth. You can't organize your home until you've decluttered. Decluttering is step one of organization. And I have a whole video called Tough Love of why you're failing if you're trying to organize and declutter at the same time, or organize without decluttering. I'm gonna put a link to that, but just know that the organization is coming. Today we're gonna start with mindset, because shifting your mindset is what's gonna have the biggest impact on your home. Right now, it's hard to let go. It's hard because you've said yes to all this stuff coming into your home. You've purchased it, someone's given it to you, and now I'm telling you to say no. I'm telling you to let it go. And you're having fear and anxiety. What if I make a mistake? What if I have to buy this again? You don't trust yourself, but you don't have to. That's why we start with decluttering rules. Having clear decluttering rules means it's not about emotion. It's about clear, logical facts. And having these rules will let go of the anxiety and the pressure on yourself, because you don't have to trust yourself to make this decision. You only have to trust the rules. The first rule is, have I used this in the last 12 months? I know what you're thinking. Listen, it's been COVID and I haven't used a lot of things in the last 12 months. But don't worry, okay? Listen, this is one of 5 rules, because here's the thing. You have to say no to all of these rules in order to let it go. So the first one is, have I used it in the last 12 months? The next rule is, do I love it? And this is where you have to really be honest with yourself. Not do I love the idea of it, but do I actually like this thing? And now you might be thinking, I don't actually like my potato masher, Cass, but that's okay, which is why we have all 5 rules. Stay with me. Rule number 3 is, if I didn't own this, would I buy it again? So if this was like blip and completely gone from my home, and I was at a store and I saw it, would I purchase it again? The 4th rule is, if I needed this thing, would I remember that I even owned it? Maybe you're gonna slice up a banana for your kid. Would you remember you had that banana slicer in your drawer, or would you grab a knife? If it wouldn't occur to you that this item was even in your house when you went to use it, you definitely don't need it. And the last decluttering rule is, if it isn't a hard yes, it's a hard no. When you pick up something and you're like, ugh, I'm not sure, do I need this? Trust your gut. It's a no. But again, we don't have to just trust our gut. We have all 5 of these rules to fall back on. I've written all of these rules down for you in your new PDF. I'm going to put a link down below to your Decluttering Bootcamp ebook that you can download for free and follow along. So every week when I'm pushing you to let go, if you're feeling anxiety, reference the 5 rules so you can let go, trust the rules, and don't worry about making a mistake. Another way that we can shift your mindset from a negative to a positive when it comes to decluttering is just changing the word decluttering, changing like donating to gifting. Do you have books that you never read and you could share your love of reading by gifting them to someone else? Are there clothes that don't fit you anymore that you could gift to someone in need? And this is why it's really important to have clear bags and not trash bags when it comes to getting rid of good things. Nothing is worse than decluttering and purging your things and putting your good things into a black trash bag. You're already feeling anxious about letting go. Your stuff isn't trash. And even if you're taking it to a donation center, if you're putting it in a garbage bag, it feels wrong. So get yourself some clear gifting bags to use as part of this bootcamp, and donatable donation boxes. This is cardboard boxes that you can just load up call them gifting boxes, to take to your favorite charity or schedule a pickup. It's that subtle mindset shift from I'm gonna donate this or get rid of this to I'm gonna gift these things to someone in need, and I'm gonna use clear gifting bags and cardboard gift boxes. That's gonna really turn this from a negative to a positive for you. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get these videos every single week. You get that notification. Make sure you download the PDF in the link below so that you have the ebook, so you have the decluttering rules, and get those clear bags and donatable donation boxes. And I'll see you here next week. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I'm pretty excited about this boot camp. I feel like I might lose some subscribers in this one because here's the honest truth. I used to be a personal trainer and my favorite thing was screaming at people, and I was like, 10 more sit-ups. They're like, my stomach's burning. I'm like, you can do it, you baby. And I feel like I'm gonna bring that energy part of this boot camp. I'm part of the Take Your House Back group with Dawn and Dana, and we've all done the all-day declutter a couple of times now, and I've seen their coaching style, which is so nice. They're like, we love you. You're doing a great job. And I'm like, put it in the bag. And I live for that. So I guess this, if you stay to the end, this is your warning. I'm not gonna be overly nice because I'm gonna push you. I'm gonna be like the personal trainer that you've paid for at the gym to make you do just one more set. I'm also very nervous that you guys aren't gonna like me when you see the wrath come out. But it's love. It's coming from a place of love. So this is your little warning. If you did manage to stay to the end, that I'm hyped. I'm hyped to yell at you. That's all I'm gonna say. Why am I finger gunning? Also, it's really awkward for me to end videos and start videos. I don't know why. I always want to like wah, 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 or finger gun out. Like, how do you just leave the room, Cass? Just say goodbye. Goodbye.